What is happening, guys? My name is Yusuf Zan, and today we're going to be talking about money, investing, trading, and all the saving that you can get in this time. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've been all over the YouTube for the past few days trying to figure out what's going on. I've been watching so many videos, a lot of the famous YouTubers that they talk about investing and money, and honestly I love their content. But there was one thing that stands out to me, and one thing that it didn't sit right with me, and I wanted to also share it with you guys, as the question that a lot of you guys are asking nowadays is, should I buy stocks today? And the answer to that is absolutely not. To my opinion, and again, this is all of my opinion, I think you should do all your research and all your basically findings about the money and how you would like to invest and how you like to do investing into anything. But my opinion that I find from the content of all these famous YouTubers is that they're all telling you to buy stocks right now. And it could be the ETFs, it could be a different type of stocks, it could be shorting the stocks, and I think that's all great. But for someone who's very new to investing, someone who's really new to basically putting their money into the stock market, I think actually it's a terrible time for you to start investing as of now, which is today is Monday, March the 23rd. And I think this video is gonna be not basically good enough in a couple of weeks or months, and you're gonna be like, what the hell is he talking about? But as of now, Monday the 23rd of March, I think it's a terrible time for you to start investing into the stock market, just because even a lot of the ETFs that their price basically goes up based on the value of the whole market, not on one specific stock, you can easily see that they're still going down. And my opinion is that a lot of the stocks that are still, are really good buys as of now, they're still gonna go lower. I think they're gonna still go down. And the reason because of that is a lot of the things that are happening around the world right now, the trouble that we have in every single country, I think that's gonna make it for the stocks to go even lower within the next month or two, and maybe more months, and even to a year. And I think it's because we still don't have any cure for what's happening. So it's very tough for us to ramp up the values in the companies again, and everybody get back on it and start buying now as soon as it's a dip right now, and then you're gonna earn more profit later on. But what I think is, just because we still don't have any cure, we still don't have any medication for what's going on, is still the stock's still gonna go down. And it is not a great time for a lot of your newers or a lot of your beginners to actually start investing into the stock market, just because I keep seeing so many people keep telling you, yes, it's a dip right now and you should be buying them. But to my opinion, actually it's not a great time to buy right now, because I think still the market is going to go even lower, just because there's so much happening. And now the US market is actually crashing little by little, and it's going to maybe take another month or two for it even to go even lower. But a lot of people keep telling you to buy right now, but what they don't tell you is, if you buy right now, in order for you to make profit, you have to leave your money inside the stock market for at least a couple of years till it ramps up again, and yes, you would make a profit then. But if you need your money, if you think you're gonna be unemployed, or if you think that, in a couple of months you're gonna need your money, I think it's a worse idea for you to actually invest into the stock market. I think now is a great time for you to hold on to your cash and basically don't buy into stock. I think it's a great time for you to learn about the stocks and basically see what happens. And a lot of the great apps like WEBULL, which I leave the link on the description below, which you can sign up with my link and it gives you 2 free stocks. You can actually practice trading with monopoly money, with the fake money, or see how the stock plays, or basically read people's comments and read people's opinions to see how the market is doing. But to be honest with you, I really think that market's still gonna go down a few more weeks or months even, and it's not a great time for you, a lot of beginners, to invest into the stock market. As of now, on the March 23rd, the Monday, I think I still saw couple of points going down into the S&P and Nasdaq, and that's what it's all about. I think it's not going to be going up. I think if you're a day trader, that's going to be completely different situation for you, because you can make a great money purchasing and selling the stocks on a daily basis without you holding anything overnight. But right now, for someone who has $100, $200 and wants to invest their money into the stock market, I think it's the best for you to actually leave your money in a lot of the apps that are paying you 2%, 3%, or even 4% APR on your money just by depositing your money into that account. And just like the app, like the T-Mobile Money, I'm gonna leave the link right here for you so you can check it out and see my other video that I talked about the T-Mobile Money, which you can earn 4% on your cash by just depositing it in your account and be basically a T-Mobile customer. But again, it is not the right time for you to purchase into the stock market if you're gonna be needing your money really soon, or if you don't wanna basically be worried about your money going even lower, because a lot of the stocks like SPHD, even DWT, a lot of these stocks still going down. Even Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Google, they're still going down. And I think it's a great time for you if you like to buy it and don't touch your money for at least 3-4 years. But again, if you're trying to get your money out of the stock market really quick, I think you should basically hold on to your cash and not invest into the stock market. And this would be a great time for you to learn actually all about the stock market, see how it plays, and then it would be a time for you to actually be able to buy it. But again, you have to do your research, you have to be on top of it every single day, you need to do your study, and you need to see what the news is saying, basically what the outcomes of all this sickness around the world is going on, how it's going to play out, and then you can make the right call in order to purchase some of the stocks right now in a lower price so it can become more valuable for you in the long run. Hopefully you guys liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. Is this a great time to invest into the stock market, or maybe you should be saving your money under your pillow right now? Stay tuned. Ciao.